Located about 11 kilometers to the east of Chiang Mai City, the village of Bosang is famous for producing handmade bamboo umbrellas and parasols. Bosang can be reached by public transport from Chiang Mai's Varadot market. White Songkros depart at regular intervals throughout the day from a spot adjacent to the Ping River and opposite the flower market. The journey takes about 30 minutes and will drop you off at the junction of Highway 1006 and 1014, which is opposite the Bosang Umbrella Making Center. It's a long-standing tradition, and you only need to take a wander around Bosang to see how proud the community is of this heritage. Today there is a huge range of umbrellas made in Bosang, with a wide range of sizes and designs to choose from. On arrival in Bosang, head to the Umbrella Making Center where you can watch artisans at work in the outdoor area. Informative displays and guides also help to explain each part of the umbrella making process. From crafting of the bamboo frames to the waterproofing techniques used to cover, it's fascinating to see how much work and attention goes into making each individual umbrella. The artists working at Bosang have also learned to diversify, and not only do they hand paint the umbrellas, they can also paint a design on your bag or mobile phone cover while you wait.
And the way ใส่มืดซะเอาใจเอาใส่หมวกได้คุณพี่สวยนะคะ
Traditionally, the Bosang umbrellas are made from bamboo and saw paper, which are both sourced locally with the saw paper coming from bark of the paper mulberry tree. In addition to the traditional designs, Bosang now produces a range of umbrellas made of a variety of materials, including canvas, cotton, rayon, and silk. Inside the umbrella making factory, you can see more displays, and there is also a large shop where you can buy umbrellas and parasols in a variety of sizes and multitude of designs. The Bosang Umbrella Making Center is open daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m.
นี่สีอันนี้มันผ้ามันจะมาคนละอย่างสวยสวยสวยมันจะมาคนละไม้ค่ะไม่รู้แก่มั้งเปิดดูได้ทุกอันนะคะ